Okay, hey guys. Today we have found a way to upgrade your CPU for free. So I upgraded mine to i7 6700K. It's a new 6th
i7
gen.
Extreme.
Yeah, i7 Extreme. It's a new 6th gen processor.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's what cheap people like Asians, you know, because we're Asians.
Yeah, we're
Yeah.
Asian. Yeah.
And
You can also upgrade from an Intel Pentium, right?
yeah.
Yeah.
Intel Pentium, and that's like the worst, right?
Yeah, that's like the worst shit. That's
No, probably even not. Probably in like the old stages. Probably you can upgrade from there to whatever you want.
Okay, probably like the Intel Xenon or some shit like that. Okay, first go to start and you, yo, you want me to share my screen so you could see too?
I'm playing Hearthstone.
Oh wow, okay. So you go to start and click and type in Registry, press enter. Click yes. Okay, here, go to H key.
Share your screen if you want.
Okay, just don't play Hearthstone now. Okay, you
Too
see my
late.
screen? Do you see my screen?
Yep.
Okay, so you guys have to listen carefully. If you guys do this wrong, your whole company is gonna break. I'm not even joking. Like, it's gonna break down. It's not even start up. So.
This is not our fault. We hold no liability.
Yeah.
If your computer breaks.
We have no warranty
This is your
whatsoever.
choice.
You're
This
gonna
is your
take the
choice
risk.
if you would like to use if you're the one, you decide to listen to us and do it. If you don't need to.
You guys are taking a big ass risk here. I'm not even joking. Okay. Go to HQ local machine and then go to hardware, description, system. Click on you click the arrow key. Click on 0. Don't click on 1 or whatever whatsoever. If you click on that, it's gonna break. Okay, so click 0.
Just watch a video while you're doing it. Don't be a stupid ass and like, oh, I know what to do.
And then click processor name string, right click, click modify. And then as you can see, it's on 6700 right now. I could change it back to 4790K. Oh shit, what happened? 4790K, and then what the, oh my god, my number pad. 4790K. Click LK and then you can check if it worked or not for you. So go to this PC, click properties, and then base C, you can see as here, you can see it changed back. So I'm gonna change it back to 6th generation because I'm sick like a boss. I'm sick. 6700K, and then you could see it's gonna work again.
You already know what it is?
Yeah, as you can see it worked. And then if you guys want to even more advanced, this is only for advanced people only. Okay, there's another step. You go to local machine, you go to software, Microsoft, Windows. I'm not gonna go too fast. Windows. Current version. Go to OEM information, I think. Yep. Click on it. Okay, this is very fucking important, okay? Default, do not change this, gonna break your computer. Also this one, it's the logo. Don't change it. If you want to change the logo, you have to go to C Windows System 32 OEM logo. And just put your picture in there. And also, important note, do not delete System 32, is gonna break your computer also. And also, yeah, manufacturer, yeah. And then, here also. Okay. After you modify it, it's probably gonna work. Like, as you can see.
Probably gonna work, no guarantee.
Yeah. No guarantee. If it breaks, it's not my problem. See? My manufacturer is right there. Like, my name. Okay. And also about the logo, if it doesn't work, like you put in your logo and it doesn't work, this is what you do. Go to C, Windows, System 32. Do not delete this folder if fucking you're gonna crash computer. Okay, OE. Okay, right here. If it doesn't work, you open Paint. You drag it in.
And there's one very important thing. You need to send us an email. And then you need to send us your bank codes and your credit card and everything.
If you guys want even more advanced, you have to do this. You go to my email right here. Yeah, leejackalive.com, and then you send me a bank account and shit. And then I'll give you extra stuff, you know? Like, I'll give you extra options and hints and, like, what to do. Okay, if it doesn't work, you drag your picture in here. go to resize and then click pixels, and then make sure you change horizontal to 100 only. Like for example, it was on 1000. It's gonna be so shit. And then make sure change horizontal to 100. If your picture is rectangle like this, like something like that, click resize, and when you change 100 to here, it's gonna be like 80 or 70, any number, it doesn't matter. Don't change your vertical, it's gonna break your computer. Please don't change your vertical. Just change horizontal to 100, click OK. And then after, I don't need to save because I already did it. You go check it again, it should appear right here. Alright guys, that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and hope you guys click like on this video. If I reach 15 likes, that'll be gladly appreciated. And also please subscribe to my channel, and also
send in your
your bank account information, and yeah, and I'll do.
It's totally safe, you know.
It's always safe from me. And also, if you want to look at his channel, it's TorontoRaptors.com.
What the hey, whoa, it's not my channel.
No, not his channel, his website. You guys want to check out my friend's website? It's TorontoRaptors.com. I think, let me check. Is it? What's your website? Yeah, it's TorontoRaptors.com then. Also, you can click here to purchase.
It's JackieSuckstick.com.
Oh. Wait, how come your internet does your okay?
What?
Yeah. If you guys want to donate to Kevin Lamb, this is with his website. You click, you buy a ticket for like, I don't know, and then you could send donation to him, send his bank account and stuff to him, and also
PayPal.
And PayPal. He has a good PayPal account. It's certified, no scams, no nothing. And also, this is my Ubuntu, and you guys won't know anyways. Okay guys, thanks for watching. That's it for today. Goodbye.